Oh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. NASDAQ. Oof. Wow, there's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. 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 You guys already got like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Hit that, blow it up. Today, buddy. Not today. Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. NASDAQ. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. 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 Oh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap.
And it's time to party, baby. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my God, I hear my own voice and it's a bit obnoxious sometimes. All right. Get them ready, boys. Get them ready. Today, we're live. We're happening. It's happening. OnlyPropFirms.com. Always the best deals in the space. Check them out. Let's check out the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ. Here we are looking at the NASDAQ. Guess what? Will you just look at it? Still going pretty much just chopping around here. I had a nice little move overnight from 2 o'clock down there till about 5. Pretty much, well, since last night, like midnight. Kind of just selling off and then now chopping around here. Oh, buddy. Looking at the hourly chart right now, you can see on the hourly chart, we've pretty much just been going sideways at this level since Thursday of last week. We did break to the downside. We got back up here into this level now. Hourly chart looking a little trouble here for the bulls. Like we might want to move down here a little bit. We'll see. I don't know, both the NASDAQ, the ES right now, not looking too hot. Not getting my hopes up either way, just because, I don't know, looking a little choppy, a little consolidating right here at this level for now. If we look, 15-minute chart, kind of stuck right there, pivot point at the 939.75s. We pushed up into this level earlier. We got stuck, so we know there's a lot of resistance here at the 960s for now. That's been resistance since about pretty much 4 o'clock overnight. Resistance there at that high. At the 960 area. Oh, buddy. So, big old wick on that last 15-minute candle getting denied back down. I think we had a little bit of news come out this morning. Some numbers came out and right now just getting ready for it, you know? Another day, another dollar. Patience, my friends. Patience is always key. You want to make money in this market, you got to be patient. So, that's the plan right now. Taking a look here, what else is popping off in the world here? What y'all been up to? What y'all been doing? Y'all missing me when I'm not here live all day long? It's so crazy. I was thinking about it earlier. We have literally been, we spent a lot of time together, if you think about it, like every day. And I spend more time with you guys than I probably spend with anyone else. It's kind of weird. Too much time together. We need a break. I had a break last week. I need more breaks. I need like a year-long break after all of this. 1 year of a break I need. 1 year. 1 year break. Come on. All right, all right. Watching here on the book map right now. What do we got? What do we got on the book map here? Pulling it up. We got a bunch of liquidity sitting up there at the 1850s. I think that was what? It was kind of sitting there yesterday, right? A bunch of liquidity was at that 1850 area. Still sitting there, basically. Looks like it's been there since, yeah, it was kind of sitting there yesterday, and then this morning bringing it back in there. So that liquidity there, look at it, it's been there actually. It was all the way, that liquidity was kind of sitting there even back on the 26th. So what was that, Monday? Monday, yeah. So all the way back to Monday, that liquidity's been sitting there at the 1850s now. So interesting. We have not kind of gotten through there. Monday resistance there. We got stuck Monday during the day. Got stuck at that 1850 level. 1860s now. So, all right. Kind of just I don't know, is this a bear flag? Bear flag on the hourly chart, or do we start to move back up to the top of that range again? Oh, buddy. The trap is real. We got a pivot point on the hourly chart down there, the 837s. We've got, you know, previous day high there at the 40s. We got Monday high there at the 61. And then the previous week high up there at the 141s. So the market's been continuing to just consolidate, you know, go sideways here, and we are looking to see what happens here next. Also, Apex right now. Apex still has the deal going on, the 1 day pass. I guess there were some issues with Trade Evade yesterday, so they gave everybody a couple more days. Couple more days there, so I think you've got until next week, basically Friday, this week, Friday, to get funded in 1 day with Apex. 80% off, link down below. Use the code PW. Anytime you use the code PW, you're always gonna get the best possible deal with Apex, and then pretty much all the other prop firms as well. Using the code, I think only prop firms or Patrick Wieland, PW, however you want, OPF, let's go. Money, 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 money. All right. I am not really kind of sure what to do right here, right now. Email said the 4th, which is Monday. Yeah, I don't know if that's Monday, like Monday morning or like Monday night. I don't know. Bitcoin going up, baby. Let's go. Cryptocurrency on a tear right now. Luckily, I started loading up on crypto back in 2022, 2023. Let's go. Bitcoin to the moon. JK. I honestly, like, I don't even look at it half the time. It's kind of nice. I just like put money into it, kind of just try to buy every like dip, and just don't really think about it. Kind of out of sight, out of mind. So, Jim Minger, I have 62,000 of Bitcoin, like $62,000 like value, or you have like 62,000 Bitcoin. Because if you have 62,000 Bitcoin, you might be a billionaire. at this point. The NASDAQ continuing to chop around here, chopping around. We got the 940 area pivot point right now. Trying to look here. ES, NASDAQ. What's the pattern here? What do we got? If you look at the ES right now, take a look at the ES here. All right, ES, kind of a little bit better of a setup here. We broke out of this kind of downward trend on the ES, kind of holding up there right now at the VWAP 76s. So the ES looking a little bit more bullish here. You know, we broke out of this kind of downward trend right there. And as of right now, we're kind of pushing back up here. So the ES is kind of breaking out here while the NASDAQ is kind of just not really looking the same. So a little bit of a divergence here, a little bit of a divergence on the NASDAQ, the ES here, kind of looking at this here. Does this end up breaking to the upside and trying to push back up here now is the question here. All right. Right. Right now we're looking here at Bookmap. Somebody asked her, this is Bookmap. We use Bookmap here on the channel. There's a link down below if you want to learn more about Bookmap. Bookmap. $960 key level for sure. I agree, Jesse. I agree. We're thinking the same way, my friend. 15-minute fair value gap down here. What, this 912 area? Pull back into that 912 and then go to the moon. Camaro. Travis Lambert, what's poppin'? If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. The dollar did have a nice little run earlier. Now it's pulling back, looking a little bit more bearish here now. The question, the dollar bill question here. Kevin, you get off work. What time do you get off work at? Get off work and then chill out and watch the trades. Dude's getting off work at 9 a.m. I like it. DK England, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. How is fishing going? Fishing is always going well. Yeah, making money, fishing, traveling, living the dream, baby. Loving life. It's hard to complain. It is hard to complain, honestly. Kevin, it's 11 p.m. by, I'm working overseas. All right. Do I still kite surf? It's been a while, to be honest. Been mostly, it's hard to do everything, you know. I've mostly been just fishing lately, so. Is Trades by Matt coming to fish? I think possibly. Maybe. We talked about it. We'll see if he comes. Trades by Matt. We got a giveaway going on right now on Twitter. If you're on Twitter, there's a giveaway going on right there. Link in the chat for everybody who's here early. Go check it out. You know what to do. This market really going absolutely nowhere right now. Jimmy Wynn, I'm looking for a morning fishing trip on Saturday. Anyone that I suggest in Fort Lauderdale? That's pretty short notice. I don't really have anyone in Fort Lauderdale that I would suggest. I mean, pretty much everyone's pretty good. All the charter boats, they pretty much all fish the same spots. So You'll be all right. You'll catch something. I think just probably go online and search Fort Lauderdale charters. I have a buddy who does charters down in the Keys, but that would be a long drive. Fort Lauderdale, not as easy. All right, NASDAQ again pulling back into this kind of uptrend area there. The trend right now at that 930. Is this gonna get kind of dumped through here now is the question. What time is it? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. All right. Bitcoin breaking 60,000, I think, right? Did it break 60,000? Bitcoin. Bitcoin breaking 60,000 here this morning. Bitcoin up 7% right now. Let's go. Bitcoin to the moon. Oh, buddy. Big rip, too, from the 50s up there to the 60s on Bitcoin. Now that the fishing competition is over, what will I do with my free time? Probably go fishing. Also, we got a fishing tournament next week, so yeah. Just constant fishing tournaments. All right, so NASDAQ pulling back here into the 25, 26s. Nothing really to get excited about yet. The hourly chart, not looking too hot, but we basically just been in this range now for a few days here. Since last Thursday, we've just been going sideways. But we have been kind of working our way lower, so will today be this kind of break through this level 900s, move down to 836 level, 860s here. I like that. Kind of like back into this level right here, 50 area. But as of right now, waiting for a market to open. Catching any wahoos lately? A couple weeks ago, we caught a wahoo. All right, all right, all right. I need to change this color. I want to like a little different colors. I don't know if that really helped or not. There's just like a lot of lines on this chart right now. Why are there so many lines? A lot of stuff going on. We got the Monday low right here. We got the previous day low down here as well. So previous day low there at the 908s. Well, 1860 is the resistance to the upside. So 1860, that's been a resistance for the last few days here. Right now, working our way back down here right now. 15-minute chart. Popping over here to the 2-minute chart now. You can see this kind of break to the downside here. Will we kind of wash out down to the 900s here now is the question. The $1 million question. $20 is getting tested there. We bounced off that 18 level there pretty hard before, so. I feel like they probably want to run that low down there in time. Check out this low again at the 900s. Both the ES, the NASDAQ pulling back here now. ES stuck there at the VWAP. NASDAQ here at the 24s, 25s now. I mean, through 18 level, there's really not much reason for this to stop until probably 900 or so. So. Dollar trying to push back up here as well. Dollar trying to push back up. NASDAQ trying to sell down here. Who will break? Who will break? I think right now there's looks like a lot of pressure here on the NASDAQ to break to the downside. That 10 level down there, and then after that 900s, so. Through all this liquidity, or through that 19 area, should try to get down there 900 or so. He's going to chop around here at the 920s till open. We still got 17 minutes here till open today. It's going to be a fun one. Wild Wednesdays, baby. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We do have a giveaway going on with Twitter right now on the Only Prop Firms Twitter. If you haven't already hit up the Only Prop Firms Twitter, make sure you do. We're doing it. Posting up deals and news and all that fun stuff always. That's a lot of liquidity just sitting down there to the downside here now, supporting this level, so. Just need to get through that 19 level, and then we move down to 900s, I'd say. But as of right now, just chopping around here at the 2019s. All right, through the 19s there. Will they drop it like a rock? Ooh. Bunch of liquidity just came right back in there, holding it up now again. So something going on with this level. They're supporting it for now. My bias is I think we're going to go down here at open right now, the way it's looking, but we did break to the downside here out of this kind of trend for now and just kind of flagging here at the 920s for now. Unless they just want to chop this back up. Maybe we push back up to the 40s before open. I don't know. It's very choppy right now. We're just been in this range these last 2 days, man. Bunch of liquidity just stacked up at that 15 to 19 level. Market pushing right back up here to the 25s again. Quite the battle here. LW said 40s, then drop back down. I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. Five-minute chart, just kind of bear flagging down here right now. Very choppy, just kind of chopping around here. Was looking to see if we could get that continuation through the 20s. And buyers kind of stepped right back in there. So just trying to be patient. We got 12 minutes till market opens. $12 minutes. Push back up into this 5-minute imbalance right there. Todd L thinks that we're going to go to 72 and then drop back down. Wow. It'd be fun. Good morning, everybody tuning in. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. It's free to like, by the way. Only 214 likes. Let's get some more likes here on the stream. It's been a while since we've broken 1,000 likes. We break 1,000 likes here, we'll do a giveaway Let's go. We got a giveaway right now going on with Twitter. Check them out. Right now, the NASDAQ just kind of sitting here. Will she start to push back up 30s? She's a pushing. I think if we get back over that 40 level, then we would probably take out that high next after they saved this low down there. So right now the market pushing straight back up here. Kind of looking like a little bit of a U here, a little bit of a U, a little bit of a U. Got to get through this kind of 40 level there on the NASDAQ. Got 8 minutes here till market opens. 8 minutes till market opens. Game plan right now is to see what happens with this 918, 920 level. Are we going to hold it? If we can't hold that level, well, then I think we move straight down there to 900 at open. So we got about 7 minutes here till market opens. Just still getting stuck there at the 30s. Back down there to the 20s again. A bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 20s here. We bounced off that level there earlier. Nvidia moving down. Dollar moving down here. Got a little less than 4 minutes till market opens. Game right now. I'd like to see what happens here. Back down there to the 20s again. The NASDAQ loving this 20 level. Nvidia selling down right here. Dollar selling down. NASDAQ selling down. Oh, buddy. Who's trapping who today? Where's the trap at? Who's trapping who is what I want to know. Got about a little less than a minute here till market opens. A little less than a minute. Who's ready? If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Pop it off. All right, my game plan right now is just kind of watching these highs, right? And just seeing, like, we know we're in a tight range here. There's nothing really, you know, I think if we lose this low here at the 920s, we should move down. Take out the overnight low down there at the 980s, 98s. So if we break to the upside here, well, then I think we push up there to the 60s. So it's really just kind of an up and down move here. Very choppy so far. We got a little less than 30 seconds till market opens. Apex 1 day pass is still going on until Monday of next week. So let's go. It's time to party. Count it down with me. Oh. I'm going to buy this dip right here. See if we can't get a push straight up through the 40s. That happened quick. Put an order out there, 45s to get filled for 10. Ooh. need to go. $45, looking for 45 to break here. That 20 area held up perfectly like we are looking for. Can we take out 45s there? Trouble at 40s here. We just keep stacking up liquidity there. Trying to figure out if I'm going to jump out here, give it some time. Still holding up. I don't want this below 25s, basically. Stopped out there. So just couldn't get that break all the way through there. We'll give it a second, see what happens next. If it breaks 20s, it's trouble, so. Just a bunch of liquidity sitting there sell side right now, 25s. Trying to get us filled, popping it right back up there, so. Chop, chop, chopping. Down there through the 20s, all the way down there, 10s again. Bears can't get it down here. Wow. The chop is real. We get both extremes, up and down here at open. Will we take out the 900s there next? Take out 900s, we're probably gonna, we gotta get down there to that 90s. JK just right back up there again. ES is chopping here. NASDAQ's chopping. And back up there towards the 40s again. Would you look at that? Up there through the 40s again. Oh, that's great. I think we've gotten fuck, I don't really have an idea. We get through the 50s, we push to the 60s, but right now just fucking the ES just pushed back up. Nvidia just went straight to the moon here, by the way. Nvidia's going straight to the moon. $45s holding us down for now. A bunch of liquidity stacked up there, the $45s. Is that key level 40s right here. If we could push through here, a good room to run. Just got to get through that 45. There's a bunch of sellers sitting there. Nvidia pulled back. The ES stuck at the VWAP. Can we get this breakout all the way through the highs now, 45s? I'm going to see if we can take this through here. Through the 45s quickly. And the chop is real. Stop at the 30s here. Don't want this below 30 again. Need to break out through this 40 level here. Something is, I think my book map or something right now is lagging. It is, what is happening right now? My book map's showing 40. Trade of H showing different price. Cannot tell what's going on here. I think Bookmap's having issues with Rhythmic right now. Rhythmic's lagging. Something's going on. Let it loose. My computer right now, everything's lagging so bad. I can't tell what the actual price is right now. Trading view right? I think trading view price has to be right. Right now, just chopping here at the 30s, holding up there at the 30s. Still long, looking for this push through the 40s. Disconnect. Need that push. Oh, 45s again. Fucker. That's frustrating. 45, just get through there. I fucking hate this shit. Denied right there at the 45.50s. Market back down to the 920s here. Absolutely just fucking chop city here this morning. Dollar's moving back down. DXY is moving back down. NASDAQ's trying to hold up here. I'm not in a trade right now. I can't fucking... Everything's lagging really bad. Nvidia having trouble. Nvidia moving back down here. Market back down there to the 910s again. Seems like Rhythmic's having issues right now. Too many people trying to trade this morning. Down there to the 900s, looking like that's where we're headed right now. Holding up there at 900s one more time. All right, trying to be patient here and let this fucking chop do something. This is just been up, down, up, down, up, down, going nowhere here. So let's see if we can get some type of actual move here. Because as of right now, we going nowhere. There she goes. Through the 900s now. Can we finally get this move down here? Moving down there through the 900s nicely. There she goes through 900s, finally making a move down here. All right, we're breaking that 15-minute opening range through the 900s. We were saying we were looking to test that low, the overnight low, through the overnight low there now at 5 o'clock. And then we've got this pivot point down there at the 860s. Now the market's going to just continue dumping here. No pullback. Was hoping to get a pullback up here a little bit. Fucking A. If you guys ever hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow it up. Whee! Market down there to the 80s now, through the 900s. Nvidia staying alive right now. Yes, I missed that short. I couldn't do anything. I didn't have fucking trying to reset everything over here and just. Ugh. There she goes. Look at it down there to the 77s. Congratulations. Still going. Tradeovate seems to be fine, but the problem is I use Bookmap, so I was looking at the price on Bookmap, and the price was totally different, and I'm trying to like figure out what to do. What do I trust? You know? Kind of tricky when you're stuff that you're looking at is showing different prices. All right. Nvidia is staying alive right now, so trying to figure out if this is the bottom of this move down and we move back up now. We took out that overnight low there. If we could start moving back up, possibly. I execute my trades on trade of 8. I don't know. I think we start moving back up here a little bit. Nvidia is still like kind of pushing up there. Back above the VWAP on Nvidia now. So right back above 900s again on the NASDAQ here. Maybe test that 910 area again. I don't know. VWAP's right there at the 35s. Someone said, Del, you could have shorted off the VWAP this morning. Where's the Matt from yesterday? Matt, come back. I don't know if Trade of 8's actually lagging, to be honest. I just don't know. When I was looking at the book map, it was like every single chart had a different price on it. So book map was a different price. Trade of 8 was a different price. Trading View was a different price. So I was just like, oh, fuck. Like, what do I do here? So it's probably Bookmap because Bookmap's pulling from Rhythmic. I agree. VWAP all the way up there at the 35s here on the NASDAQ. The ES below the VWAP here. NVIDIA below the VWAP there as well. So we will see if we can move back up here. As of right now, kind of watching to see how this plays out here. At this key level, 900 key level, do we turn 900 into support? Or is that going to be used as resistance there? Previous area of support turning into resistance, obviously bearish. Obviously, right? Obviously bearish. Problem is there's going to be a lot of shorts trying to short right here at that whole number. So if the bulls do try to push back up, then the shorts are going to be, in trouble. So they basically want to stay below 900 here, I'd say, for the shorts. They're doing it right now. But that doesn't mean it's over yet. All right, so 900 turning into resistance there nicely. Will we start to move down, or is this going to be a higher low there at the 90s? 90s needs to break through. ES still showing some strength to move back up. There's a pivot point on the ES there at the 53, at the 73 level. That's holding it down right now. NASDAQ pivot point all the way back up there to the 940s currently. Pivot point to the downside there at the 859s Market looking like it wants to move down here. See if we get through the 80s there, and then 860 to the downside would be that pivot point move down there. Or if they're going to double bottom right here. Nvidia is kind of double bottoming right now. Dollar staying weak as well, so. Market holding up here for now. That 900 area, back above 900 quickly right there. Boom. I think we might just squeeze right back up here. I'm going to try a little long just for a quick scalp. See if we can't get right back up there towards that 15 level. Back above the 900s here. Oh, come on. And still just stuck there at the 900s. 95 stop here. Jumping out there. Fuck me. Just no follow through at all today, so. Story of my life right now. YOLO. 860s to the downside there. Will we get down there? Stuck there below the 900s still. Back up. There's that push I was looking for. Fuck me. Gotta love it. Through the 915. Up there through the 915s now. God, fuck me. Just was a little early on that entry, so YOLO. Fuck, you literally gotta be kidding me. We're ripping back up there through the 15s now. ES and NASDAQ both trying to push up here. I still think we can push up towards that VWAP there at the 30s. ES going straight up. The NASDAQ trying to recover here. The dollar's going nowhere. VWAP is looking like it wants to get touched there at the 30s, so let's see. This is the 5-minute chart. 2-minute chart broke that bear flag to the upside. Gotta love that. Let's see what happens here at the 915s. We're gonna hold up there, maybe drop kind of like back into this 900 level one more time. Still just holding up there. Bull flagging here, 920 is trying to hold up. ES going up, 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 up. I'm like thinking about maybe buying here for this if it's gonna push the VWAP, but then I don't want to get fucking, I want to wait for a little bit more. Pull back into that 900 level maybe. Nvidia's going nowhere right now, so I'm thinking the Nasdaq's gonna pull back here. There's that pullback. Will we bounce here? I'm gonna try it long right here. If it don't work out, I'm gonna walk away. Be done for the day here. All right, like I said, looking for that pullback into the 900s, see if we can go through 920s, and then I want to see it push up there towards that VWAP level Gotta hold them. You gotta risk them to get the biscuit. Gotta risk a biscuit to get the biscuit. Something like that. You gotta risk biscuits to get biscuits. The dollar moving down. NASDAQ trying to push up here. Risk it for the biscuit. I know, I know. Don't know why. You would be by my... We're looking for this VWAP level, you know, 30, 28, 30 level would be our target here for this breakout. We're holding up above this previous area of resistance right now here at the 900. So we obviously don't want to get back below 900 here. We want to squeeze straight up there towards the VWAP there. Having trouble. Need NVIDIA to pop back up here. We get NVIDIA to pop back up. The dollar kind of holding on. The ES trying to push up. So mixed signals. Mixed signals here. But I had to go with the plan. Take the trade with the plan there. We had the plan for that pullback into that 10. I kind of probably got a little deeper actually. Probably like 905s. I got 11s on there. So... body. Trying to get to the 20s. Come on, baby. Go to the 20s here, 31 VWAPs. Just can't get a break today. Can't get the break today, boys. Sometimes you're the hammer and sometimes you're the nail. And right now, it's not looking too good for me. NVIDIA is trying to pop up through that 75 level strong. NQ just holding up here at the 08s, 10s. Trying to be patient here. And back down there, I'm out. I'm going to get out for break even, basically. So, ugh, I'm so stupid. I'm over it. I'm going to walk away. That's 4 losing trades in a row. Just got to walk away, take a red day here. It is what it is. So, there's just, it's part of trading. So, yeah, whatever. We live to fight another day, basically. So sometimes you're on it, sometimes you're not. And right now, this market just don't want to do what I want it to do. So Are you kidding me? Yeah. And right off the lows there, off the 900s again, just kind of dipped right below 900 and pushed it right back up. So now we're just stuck here, 910s. Someone said go short one contract. Why don't you go short one contract? Fucking A. Jai Dog, bro, I like you as human, but unfortunately I'm unsubscribing today. That didn't go well for me. Take care, buddy. Walk away. You have a good life. Okay. What the fuck? You know, I don't fucking know, man. I mean, every single trade that I took was in the green. So, I mean, at some point, like I wanted more, but you know, there wasn't like one trade that I took that was like instantly fucking in the red. Pretty much every single trade we took, there was a little bit of green there. You know, we didn't get the targets, but I don't know. I apologize. Don't know what to tell you. Patrick, Tanya has 4.5 thousand views. You have 1.9. ICT, I guess, and it also proves that guys want to watch girls online more than they want to watch me online. So. Don't know what to tell you. And ICT's been pumping her on Twitter as well, so getting her some more views over there. He's not promoting my stream for some reason. For some reason, he stopped promoting my stream. I don't know why. It's so weird. And market continuing to chop here at the 900s. If we start to sell down here, you know, maybe we can make a move down. I don't know. Kind of breaking the cardinal rule today. Breaking the cardinal rule, trying to get long below the VWAP. Not a good idea, Patrick. You know that's the rule, don't do it. I always tell myself, like, don't get long below VWAP. Ugh. Ugh. Look at the 5-minute chart now. Look how bearish it looks. Fuck. This is how you're trading the Robbins Cup. Guys, I don't give a fuck about the imaginary Robbins Cup fucking trophy. I don't give a fuck. I don't want a trophy. I don't want to pay fucking extra commissions. I don't want to deal with Robbins Cup bullshit to win a trophy. I don't give a fuck. Guys, I don't give a fuck. I'm not fucking ICT pretending that I'm going to make 11,000% return living. You know, come on. Everybody's like, Patrick, ICT, Robbins, like, who the fuck cares about the Robbins Cup? Nobody. Bro. Bro. We keep getting stuck here at that 10 level. I mean, the market's really just kind of holding up here, to be honest. Like, it's not dumping. It's just kind of holding up here. So it's hard to be like overly insanely bearish right now. I don't know. I mean, the ES is just like kind of holding up above the VWAP. I mean, I don't know. I love like the people in the chat. It's just like, and now everyone's a fucking genius in the chat. Hey, I don't, hey, it is what it is, you know? You can't always fucking win. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. No one can ever be. If you guys ever hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. Every like counts. VWAP still sitting there at the 28s now. And back up there to the VWAP. Can we reclaim the VWAP here now is the question. Guys, I'm fine. Everybody in the chat trying to like give me advice on like how I should relax or fucking, I'm totally fine. It's okay. We're good. Don't worry. Fucking A. It's like Dr. Phil. Everyone's Dr. Phil in the chat now. Patrick, don't worry. You're still amazing. Everyone in the chat's fucking is a psychiatrist in here now. I'm not stressing at all. I'm chilling. Like there's literally no worries at all. I'm chilling. Totally chilling, man. I'm chilling. just want to see if we can, if we're gonna look at the ES right now, just fucking going straight up here. Blah, 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 blah. Nvidia is literally just going sideways at 74 right now. Just sitting there at a pivot point. NASDAQ again tapping the VWAP there. Stuck. Stuck at the VWAP, people. ES still pushing up there to the 80s on the ES. We get to the VWAP here. Got to get through that VWAP and then try to push up here to the 40s. Someone in the chat said go short. Let's see if that works out. Everybody in the chat, just start typing what to do. What should I do? Everybody just spam the chat. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Everybody got something to say today. We are all in here just like you. Of course we have opinions. Yeah, hey, I'm all for opinions, but I just think it's funny that everyone in the chat like spamming buy, sell, buy, short now, buy now. If we can get 1,000 likes here, we'll do a giveaway. Right now, we are nowhere near 1,000 likes, by the way. The fuck's going on over there? We do have a giveaway going on only prop firms right now. Is there anything else you can do with the markets other than buy and sell? Yeah, no, it's don't trade. Don't buy, don't sell. Neither. Also, what happened? I just joined. The fucking world's ending. Everybody's died. It's all, I don't want to say dying. Everything's dead. We're fucked. It's all over. And the VWAP once again is undefeated. NASDAQ VWAP undefeated today. Why is the market going sideways? Well, I think just because we had a big move last week, so now the market's kind of just trying to figure out where it wants to go next. In theory, right? In theory. Once again, testing VWAP. That little imaginary white line on the chart. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just hard. It's hard to make money when the market's just not moving, guys. It's just what it comes down to. I don't care who you are. It's just the truth. You know, I mean, what are you going to do? I'm a momentum day trader. There's no momentum. What can I do? I can't force it like I did. Well, I did force it and ended up losing. So, just the way the cookie crumbles. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. VWAP trying to get taken out here. 28 for the VWAP break. We get through that VWAP. I don't see how we don't go up there to the 40s again. But I have been wrong. I have been wrong before. Shall I be wrong again? Look at how tight we're getting right here at the VWAP. Look at how tight we're on the VWAP right now. The VWAP is blah. Fuck. Is Tanya a more gooder trader than you? Yes. Tanya is definitely a more gooder trader than me. Very much gooder. Way gooder. Definitely way gooder than me. I'm way badder. I'm more badder. I'm more badder. Did something just happen? The ES just popped straight up there. Someone's talking or something. Is there a Fed speaker? The ES still making, ES just made a new high. NASDAQ just going nowhere because NVIDIA is going nowhere, I think. Mm. Oh, everybody in the chat, Patty looks tired. I'm not, why do I look tired for? I'm just fucking sitting here staring at nothing happen. Like, fuck. God. Urgh. Relax, people. Just relax. Have I looked at the ES? Yes, I'm looking at the ES. I'm looking at the NASDAQ. I'm looking at fucking everything, guys. Ugh. Time for my glasses to go on. Oh, God. ES is just grinding higher. NASDAQ's going nowhere, so I'm fucking over it. It's a 1052, and it is what it is, so. My book map's not working still. I got to reset all that. It was all lagging and stuff, so. It is what it is. Gonna walk away red, and we'll come back tomorrow. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace to the Middle East.